When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
One of the most important tools in any professional kitchen is the knife. Used in the preparation of practically every dish, a professional chef takes care of their knives like a thoroughbred racehorse. That's why, about 2 years ago, the team at V-Bells decided to create a series of professional knives that also look stunning in a home kitchen. We call them the Reserve Series. We believe they're the finest knives you'll find anywhere. Meticulously crafted, ultra premium quality, unparalleled balance and precision, razor sharp to cut, chop, slice, and dice, and turn any kitchen task into a pleasure. The Reserve Series is comprised of 5 knives you'll use every day. An 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch Santoku knife, a 5.5-inch Nakiri knife, a 10-inch bread knife, and lastly, a 5.5-inch utility knife. Use them once and you'll immediately see why the Reserve Series from V-Bells is a true thoroughbred knife.
Il più importante è che vi permette di cucinare senza grassi. Questo vi permette di cucinare sano e di lasciare i sapori intatti. Questo rivestimento antiaderente è altamente resistente e molto duraturo. Un'altra caratteristica molto importante è la trasmissione del calore in maniera uniforme, che permette una cottura perfetta e veloce. Facilissima da pulire.
Peel your favorite foods effortlessly with the Swivel Peeler from Spring Chef. The peeler features sharp, dual stainless steel blades. The ergonomic handle is great for both righties or lefties. And with the built-in blemish remover, you can get rid of potato eyes and other marks without a knife. Plus, it's totally dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.
Hi, I'm Julie, and I'm excited to show you these beautiful measuring cups and spoons from Simply Gourmet. These sets are made from premium stainless steel and are designed to last a lifetime. Each piece includes engraved markings that will never fade or rub off, and you'll love how narrow spoons easily fit into the spice jars. Simply Gourmet uses only the highest quality stainless steel, so you can be confident that these will never rust and they are completely dishwasher safe. Worried about your handles breaking? Don't be. These are made from one piece of stainless and will never break, unlike plastic or other less expensive sets.
Make food preparation easy with the Gorilla Grip Original 3-piece cutting board set. Our boards are larger and thicker than most brands for long-lasting quality. The durable rubber border helps keep the board in place on smooth, clean surfaces. Plus, these boards are BPA-free, making them a perfect product to use in your home. The boards are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a cinch. We hope you enjoy your cutting boards from Gorilla Grip.
Whether it's straining vegetables, berries, or pasta, Livefresh has the perfect size strainer for the job. Livefresh strainers are available in 3-inch, 5.5-inch, or 8-inch sizes. Use the 3-inch mini strainer to separate the seeds from freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice, or to strain tea leaves or mulling spices from brewed beverages. The 5.5-inch strainer is great for vegetables and berries, while the 8-inch strainer is perfect for pasta. All Livefresh strainers feature an extra fine mesh body to thoroughly strain the smallest ingredients, such as quinoa. The stainless steel construction makes these strainers extra sturdy, and the small loop lets you rest them on a bowl while you're straining. The soft, non-slip handles protect your hands from heat and provide a good grip.